Do you need another key for your Ford Transit? I'm Mike with Tom's Key Company. I want to show you how easy Tom's Key has made it for you to make a spare key or remote fob for your vehicle.
Visit tomskey.com to order your programmer and spare keys or remotes. Our programming solutions cover Ford Transit from 2013 through 2019, and we're always working to add more vehicles. You can add our Key by Photo service, where we'll cut your new key before it ships. It's pretty amazing.
Let me show you how easy it is to make your spare keys. First thing I need to do is get the app installed. Come to key pairing. Take the programmer. Notice there's QR code on both sides. Make sure you get the correct one. Shows you where. And scan that. Okay, it lets us know we need Wi-Fi. We got to have all the keys for the vehicle, our original keys plus our new ones. If you have aftermarket parts like a car alarm or a remote start that was added later, it might actually cause some problems to that system. So proceed it with some caution and recognize you might have to reprogram those. Today I've got a Ford Transit. This is 2018, so I found my year range right there. Hit next. Blade key, yep, that's what we've got. It's important to know you've got to have one working key, which we've got with the Tile Key Finder. It pairs to your smartphone so you can always find it. And now we've got to download this Ford information. Okay, there we go. It's installing the Ford information. Installation success. Okay, we got to plug in our programmer. To plug the programmer in, you need to find the OBD port. Usually it's down here near the gas and brake pedal. On this Ford Transit, it's hidden behind this little cover. You're going to plug it in right there. To make it a little bit easier for me, here's an extension cable. So you can see what's going on. I recommend grabbing one of these optional extension cables. Now we can easily see the status of our programmer. Notice at first the light here is green. We've got to get a Bluetooth connection made. Okay, just trying to find Bluetooth devices. Here we go. There's a serial number right here on the programmer. That's going to be the same as the serial number here as it tries to pair. Okay, there's our pairing request. All right, watching for this to turn green. There we go. It turned green here on the app, and I see a blue light now on the programmer. Next, we're going to take our new key. It's already cut. Key by Photo service did wonders. Put it in the ignition. Turn it 2 clicks to the on position. 1, 2. Okay, we're going to watch and see what this thing tells us. Take the original key into the vehicle. Start the vehicle. Okay, so I'm going to take out the new one. I'm going to put my original key in. Turn on the engine. Next, checking vehicle status. Turn off the engine. Next, remove the original key. Turn on with the new key. Okay, here's my new key. I'm going to put it in. Turn it 2 clicks. 1, 2. We did not start the engine. Here's a little beeping. Hit next. Okay, the key pairing, this gives us some important warnings. This may last 10 to 15 minutes. Doesn't erase keys. Panel goes dark. Number of keys to be paired. We're doing 1 key. So make sure you have your air conditioner and your radio, headlights, anything that draws the battery, because you don't want to drain the battery of your vehicle. If you do drain your battery, you're going to need to jump the battery. Possibly you have an older car battery and it may need to be replaced. So just be warned of that. This 10 to 15 minute procedure sometimes can end up draining the vehicle battery. We're going to do 1 key. Here we go. It's communicating. Hearing a little bit of noise from the instrument cluster. Some blinking, some lights going on and off. It gave me a failure error. So sorry I missed it. This key successfully programmed. It did give it a little bit of a strange error. It said the key programming failed. When we go ahead and try this new key, it fires up really nice. So there's probably a little bug in the app there with an incorrect screen showing up. The instructions the app tells you may differ from what you just saw in this video. And that, of course, comes as apps get updated and bugs are worked out and things are improved. All right, to program the remote buttons, you want to make sure you've got all your keys. We've got our one existing and one new one to do. Program the remote buttons on our new key. We're going to take our existing key, put it in the ignition, turn it 8 times quite quickly, and then turn it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We heard one beep. Click the lock button on the original key. Click the lock button on our new key. Heard a beep. And click the lock button on any other existing keys you have. Turn it back on. Heard a beep. Turn it off. Now, notice how quick I turned the key in the ignition. If you go too slow, it's not going to work. Let's make sure these guys both work. Here's our old one. Here's our new one. Okay, just like that.
When you order from tomskey.com, be sure to order the full bundle. You'll need the programmer, 1 or 2 spare keys or remotes, and our Key by Photo service. That'll give you everything you need to make a spare at home. And you can get Key by Photo only from Tom's Key Company. Before you can program your new spare key, you need to get your key blade cut to match your existing key. You can add our Key by Photo key cutting service during checkout. It's super easy. Once you place your order, you just take 3 pictures of your key blade, have your phone directly above the key blade so we can see the edges to cut it properly. You'll upload those photos after completing checkout on our website. Then we'll cut your key blade so your new spare key arrives cut, all ready to fit your vehicle. Our Key by Photo key cutting service is really cool, saves you a ton of time and money, and quite frankly, we think it's pretty amazing. Can you believe how easy that was to use the programmer to make a spare key for this Ford Transit? It's faster than calling the dealership to get a quote for them to tell you it's going to cost $500 for them to do that. I don't know what they're trying to buy with the rip-off prices they charge for car keys, but they might be trying to buy a new Tesla at your expense. At Tom's Key Company, we stand behind all our products with a full money-back guarantee. We aim to provide great customer service to help you out. If we can't solve the problem, no worries. Let us know, ship everything back, we'll refund all your money. It's that easy. Be sure you leave a comment below. Let others know about your experience making spare keys for your vehicle with the help of Tom's Key Company. Be sure you subscribe and like the video so that you can find it again to follow along when you're making your new key. If you have the unfortunate situation of having lost all your car keys, I'm sorry. I'm also excited to let you know that we have a new partnership that may be able to help you. Go to our website, find the All Keys Lost page, and get some help there. Thanks, and I hope you have a great day.